Good morning, everyone. My name is Marcy Mussari, and this is how I start my day off right. First, let's get dressed. Perfect. Next, I'm going to make my bed. I believe that making your bed first thing in the morning starts your day off on a positive note. I have so many pieces from IKEA that I love. This morning, I'm adding my favorite throw pillows and a blanket for some extra texture. Next, I'm going to style my bedside table. I love to add my favorite books, a beautiful painting, and some fresh flowers always make me so happy. Look at this clean space. I'm in a better mood already. Okay, now it's time for breakfast. I love to use IKEA's dishware to make my table setting look beautiful. Don't forget a garnish. I believe it's really important to take some time for yourself during the day. Create a little oasis somewhere in your home. Add comfortable pillows, a candle, your favorite books, and just relax. I hope these tips inspire you to make the most of your mornings. Thanks for watching.